This tutorial shows how to set up open house and tour events within Paragon. The best place to advertise your tours and open houses on your listings is through Paragon's open house and tour event modules. Entering that information allows your events to be included for display on the market monitor, on your listing within Paragon, as well as easily searchable in Paragon. Tours, which are broker opens, will only be available within Paragon. Open houses, which are public open houses, are included in the data feed to Narin.com and some third-party sites such as Zillow and Realtor.com. To create an event, you must have an active listing. Partials cannot have open houses or tours attached. Click the Listings menu and select Listings. Once you find the listing in your inventory, click on the MLS number and select Add Edit Open House or Add Edit Tour on the left. Once you make your selection, click Add New in the top left corner. Enter the date and time as well as any additional information about the event, then click Save. Once the event is saved, it will now be searchable within Paragon. You'll find open houses and tours on the Market Monitor on the Paragon homepage. You'll also find them by clicking on the search menu and selecting Tour and Open House under Specialty Search. Lastly, you'll find them on spreadsheets and on listings via the action icons. Remember, any public open houses that you've scheduled will be included in the data feed to Narin.com and some third-party sites. Thanks for watching this tutorial on creating open house and tour events. For more tutorials, please visit the Narin YouTube channel.